just now you saw some of my cinematic shot. So, previous day, 8 of us decided to go to the Tambdi Surla waterfall. The next morning, Sunday, we got a message that 2 of them will not come due to some work at their home. Now it's time to go at Tambdi Surla waterfall and listen some information about Tambdi Surla and Tambdi Surla waterfall by the professional trekking guide Mr. Danesh Valvekar in audio.
Tambdi Surla waterfall is located in Bhagwan Mahaveer Wildlife Sanctuary in Dharbandura Taluka, which is 65 km from Panjim, where you can find the beautiful Mahadev Temple, which is built in kadamba style. It is surrounded by hills and streams of water flows beside the temple. The temple survived due to its remote location in the forest at foot of Western Ghat. From temple to waterfall, distance is up and down around 6 km. It takes 1 hour 30 minutes to go on top. On the trail, you get in small streams. Trek is little bit tiring, but the final destination is amazing. The waterfall is very beautiful, having 50-meter height.
So guys, in this video there's one gameplay. The gameplay consists of 3 rounds. The gameplay was simple, just to close your mouth, nose and go into the water. So till the second round we didn't get how to play due to heavy flow of water, and the third round was perfect. So let's start. So finally we reached down. We had a lot of fun. We enjoyed a lot.
आप देख सकते हो चारी ये चिंबल लेके ये मोतीचूर लाडू आ रहा है हमारा। देखो देखो आप देख सकते हो, ये देखो कैसे चढ़ रहा है। जाम पडलो जाणार आहे आता।